Hey guys, welcome back into another video. Just cruising the Max. I'm gonna try. So I know this past videos I'm making, it's always down there like this. So I'm gonna try my best to keep it up at the car. And right now, we're out here with the new tires. You probably would have saw that in a video I posted. Also, if you like the content and you like the video, please like it and subscribe. Let's get into it. Up there we got the X-Max and the E-Revo. And the little Rustler. Try my best to keep the video up. Yeah. I'm gonna occasionally glance at it so the video is good. Because I noticed in the past couple of videos, well, the newer video I posted, taking my car to school, and the other video I posted, it was the the update of the Max. I got 21 reviews on that one and another 24 on that one. If y'all like it, give it a like and subscribe. Really help my channel out a bit. I got that. Alright, I'm gonna try my best to keep my video upwards because my phone mount is on top of my remote, and most people I know, well, most people that I watch have their phone mount on below where the bill is. So yeah, try to make it interesting for all of you. Max around a bit. There we go. Got our eyes on my Max.
I'm showing off my skills, everyone. 3, 2, 1.
There goes the Rustler. See what this thing can do. Hey Dad, I'm gonna turn into the grass so I don't run you over. Probably shouldn't though, because these tires are not built for off-road. Yeah, because the treads on these are pretty small, so these things are not going to be good off-road or in the grass. Well, as I know of. It definitely has a better turning radius. I made a video about that with the Sledgehammer tires on. Had a bad turning radius. Since these are wider and obviously taller, they'll go faster and have a better turning radius. And it will turn better on concrete. And right now this is stock servo on this. Oh God! You see that bench there? Almost just destroyed it on that. Okay. If I do break it, I want to make sure to get on video, and I'm hoping I don't break it. So if there is, obviously I'm going to view the video before I post it, but if it looks good, let me know. And let me know what you want to see in a future video. There's a little thing there. I'll also raise my phone mount a bit up more, so I should be able to get it better. Because I want to make this better than other videos I made. Just seeing this, it looks like absolute carnage. See if it makes any difference. Oh. A lot. What the heck is... Oh. Wide views there. We're messing up that. Is that... Oh, there's a little disc in there. Okay. Okay. That's good. A couple of days ago, I actually fixed the wheelie bar, so now it actually works more smoothly. I put electric tape on it. I'm not sure if that is the best idea, because my dad actually pointed out that it might just burn out eventually, which is see what he means. But with these tires, it doesn't really wheelie as easy, but I never really wheelied much on this thing anyway. Well, I did, because I made a video of it. Max racing with the E-Revo. But I always had like wanted this thing for racing. And we're hoping to make this video at least a bit long, so it ain't boring for any of y'all watching. I mean, if you guys probably want to see more, I probably should make this. Yeah, see that? You'll notice every bump in that. I'll do it again just to show you. Not so much as just jumping. You're gonna notice every single bump if you hit it in this thing. Little stuff. Yeah. Don't hit my car. At the moment, this is looking pretty good. Some better camera quality. I'm glad I got that. It's going off-road. Oh yeah, off-roading is so slick. Okay, I don't know how to fix the problem, but it likes to slant this kind of this way a little bit. I fixed it, but it just wants to unfix itself a bunch of times. I'm gonna try to get every try on this, not just mine. Turn right there. Don't want to run in any corners.
Yeah, that's the
Ooh.
longest I can do.
Oh, Jesus. It's so weird focusing on the camera and rolling at the same time. That's why some of the other videos I posted came out bad, because of my lack of keeping the camera up and not looking at it. I probably shouldn't do a side like that, that's gonna get annoying. Oh, and if this video, hopefully it does kind of go out as well. If this video kind of tries to slant itself, well, I'll make sure to, if I post it and it ends up being bad, I'll make sure to fix that and re-upload it. Because even when I view the video, it views it fine, but when I post it, it does not go out as well. Did the same thing on the mounting the belted tires on this thing video.
Every now and then,
So,
just leave the side slide turn around.
I know that's happened in mine too, but each time I fix it, it just messed itself up.
Yeah, I can't fix it. So I'm just playing with it.
Oh yeah,
I'm just
got
playing.
to keep it, yeah. It's weird. I had to make sure the video is not down like this, and I gotta watch my car at the same time as well. I should keep it up like this. That's what.
I don't have enough storage to make that long of videos, man.
Well, I want to make this video at least maybe close to 20 minutes. I might edit some parts out
I don't think
if
you
I can
do
try
30.
to. That's not a big
I don't
promise
think you can
there.
do 30. I think it's too long.
You know, if I get enough subscribers, if you get up to, just try 10 subscribers, not gonna go too big. I will go live, but I'm not sure if YouTube lets me do that.
I'm pretty sure you need 100 or 50. 100 or 50. 50 or 100.
Well, that's definitely a goal of mine. I'm just doing this mainly for a hobby, but if it would help out, I could definitely use the subscribers. I only have one at the moment, if you've seen it on my
channel. I'm on the road to 10 subscribers, so.
You just said you were on the road to 2.
10.
You said you had 2 subscribers. You
No,
liar.
I have 3. I have 3.
We'll see if we can beat him. Subscribe.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Actually, I don't know if it's on here. It's on that side. Right there. YouTube Beach RC. That's not my YouTube channel. That's just a sticker that came with. What did I buy? It just came with. Oh, it just came with these. I'm a Beach RC. I think I got screws or a repair part. Oh, it's from the knuckle, I think. Yeah, I got that from the knuckle. Obviously, you already know my. Well, if you watch my videos, you know my YouTube name, Carson's RCs. Capital C is capitalized. RC is both capitalized. And it obviously there's a comma between S and N. Oh, I am not making that mistake. You know, the last time we were down, I don't know if I had my Stampede or not, but I went fast underneath there, and it sounded pretty cool because of the tunnel there. Try to get some low shots. Summit Racing Equipment. Oh yeah, I have not posted a video yet because I'm still waiting on paint. But down here, I bought a new body shell. I'm gonna paint it red. I'm obviously gonna record doing that. And until I get the paints, that video will be out maybe in the next couple of days. It's gonna be a little loud, so just help me do that. Okay. I might do that again just so I can actually get to that. I don't know if it did. Alright, I want to be on the left. Okay, that was perfect. That was fine.
Mine still got some battery left.
Do a little hanging out right here. I love doing the speed up, just going like full throttle and then just slowing down. That was weird. I think I just gotta record more, then I'll get used to this. Nice. See if we get some action. That's my RC. I'll try to get a video on it soon. I'll probably make it like a short. I got the speed gun for this thing. And this thing goes twice as fast, I'm pretty sure, with these. Maybe like around 66, around there. Nice. Okay, that's a little scary. If I did it on that thing, that would scare the crap out of me. That was it. Oh, oh, oh my God. That was close. You know, I would do that if these weren't belted tires. Yeah, Dad, I wouldn't test it that much. Also, I'll keep this video going until my RC dies or when my video thing times out. Well, obviously it's told me how much minutes we're recording right here. Oh. There we go. That's my review. Start getting mine out in this action. Alright, Dad, I'm coming.
Wheel stayed inside of mine.
This is absolute chaos. Oh. Oh, sorry. Gotta keep that up. Get some X-Max action. I don't want mine to fully die because I want to be able to enjoy it on the road nicely. So I might do a little cruising and record their RCs, so I don't fully, so I don't fully kill mine. Some wider view, so see all of them easier. Oh, sorry. I really gotta learn to keep the video up.
Speedy, all the way over there.
I haven't full throttled it yet since we got back.
You almost, Dad, I think we're breaking the speed limit. It's right there. See if White. You see, Whiteview wants to, so I keep it here. I could bump you.
Yeah, let's surround it. Surround it.
I'll just drive
Oh
over
my,
you.
yeah, that's not happening. You see like that.
Man, I failed, Dad. Get it. Get it.
What's going on here? Oh God. This is just crazy. You know, I could definitely say it by now. Oh, Dad, that's wet concrete. You ran through that.
I got you.
Yeah, it is. Look at your tire.
No, it's not.
That looks like wet concrete. Oh, it's not fully dry, but it's basically wet concrete.
Totally.
I don't know why I did that.
Can I get it?
Over the bridge. I don't know if I can or not. I can try. Ay.
Stop skiing on the bridge. Stop.
Is it good? Yeah, it's good. All good. Just take a moment to enjoy that sunset. Look at that. Oof. Sender. Okay. Well, the road tires, not off-roading. We're not off-roading in these. I can't even.
I'm blinded.
Good. That's neat. Good shot right there. Okay, I'm so glad I clicked play. I thought I didn't click play, but thank God I did. Also, that I gotta learn that these are on-road tires, not off-road.
Very quiet though.
I know, that's what I'm saying. It's quiet. With the other tires, it was loud, which obviously I like. I'll eventually get the speed gearing on the video, so just like remember this sound with cruising. Just remember that sound, and when I record another video and a short, hopefully, I'm not gonna make a full YouTube video over that. I'm gonna show you the difference in sound.
So lucky.
Oh, if you went full speed in there, you would be done.
I
Well,
did.
that and there's a creek right there.
Oh, yeah.
I
Wait,
did
is there?
first.
Oh.
It like took off into the brush.
Well, his RC car is green, so that's something to expect. Yeah. With a rock and roll body, same as mine, except mine's been used more. And it can obviously that gives it away right there. And where is it at? Oh, there's a crack right here. That was close contact. That was close contact. Well, not really close.
CHM?
You know, like a
What does CHM
4-inch gap. Huh?
What does CHM mean?
Channel.
What does that do?
Different driving
How much was
setups.
I've accidentally.
Wonder what made that in the concrete. That's like pretty deep. Why would it be there? This road has not been worked on in God knows how long. Also, make sure to keep the video as still as possible. Jeez, sounds bright. It's getting a little bit into the video. I might pause it until we get to some more shade because that's gonna come out really terrible when I actually post this. Okay, it's a little less sunny here, so never mind. Let's get some. Oh, X Max action.
So I just take it off the
Yeah. There you go.
That was funny.
Yours will be the one that goes.
There we go. Okay, you guys probably couldn't see that because of the sun right there. But no harm in trying at least. Oh, did the thing again. Again, I'm looking at this. Oh, I did not want 4. 1.0. Here we go. Alright. I didn't want to wheelie, but okay. It's not doing the. So I can fix that a little bit. Make it darker a little bit. That's brighter. Darker. That's what I want. Little parking.
I'm always at the guy.
Oh yeah, Mark Parker's right there. Make sure to keep the sunlight out. This way does fine though. I know hers is still way better condition than mine. Mine looks good condition from the camera, but when you actually look at it, that definitely gives it away. Well, if any of you are wondering, That is not metal. That is actually just tinfoil tape. I just used to decorate that. I took the tinfoil tape off the back drive shafts, right there, off both of them because it was just shredding all of it up, so I had to take it off. That's still fine though. And I didn't take it off the front because obviously those seem much better condition than these ones were. I had to use a bunch of rubbed alcohol, and I used like a razor blade to get the tape off, and I had to sandpaper it off. So it was a pretty long process for both of them. I think it lasted me maybe 20 minutes if I'm gonna guess. I didn't really know specifically how long, but yeah, it was really a pain. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's right there. Oh, it flew off. Run him over. Get him, Mom. Get him. Let him get away. Okay, I need to get myself an X-Max. If I'm getting one, it's definitely going in a red body. Red body shall be pretty neat. And I don't want to cover the solar flare because obviously she already has a solar flare. And plus I like the color red. So you're probably thinking, why didn't you get a color red, well, a red RC car with the red with the red setup to that. I didn't because I wanted the rock and roll body shell, and plus I'm painting a red body shell. And obviously I painted that with red Sharpie. I want to pause it until we get to shade. Alright, better.
I wonder if that means your remote needs charged.
Could be.
That sucks. On mine it's easier because I can just obviously take the batteries out.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
So I'm gonna show you. Oh yeah, that's what I'm recording with. And I have that on it with my batteries underneath, which I think is probably a bad idea. But sometimes I forget to turn my remote off. But I've occasionally done better. Wait, let me figure it out. Oh yeah, I've been having a better, can't find the word for it, but whatever. I've been pretty well about turning this off. Oh, I almost forgot. If you have any questions for me, let me know down below. I'll read them. Yeah, that beeping's getting a little annoying. Yes, we should put it on here.
Right?
And I'm not gonna be ramming off that thing because I am not breaking that. All right.
Ethan, as long as your remote doesn't die, you should still be able to run here.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, look at this. Handicraft right there.
Don't
At its
drive.
finest.
Okay.
Aww.
We need a trailer.
Come on, come on. You gotta get this to work. You put a little more forward instead of backwards since you're going forward. Make sure it holds.
It'll slide.
Do it.
It'll slide.
Dad, I wish we had tape so we could just tape that on there.
Yeah.
Nope.
Aw, I wanted that to work. Look at that. Kind of turn it in a little bit. That's a good view. I gotta remember to zoom that back out when we do that. 1.0. There we go. Probably can't see the RC car in the video. Oh! Oh! I'm good. You almost just nailed that pole.
I'm the police. Oh, the ambulance. I'm the ambulance.
You good? That almost went out so bad. Trying not to break anybody's ankles. And it's weird because literally the slightest movements on mine, it will turn because the racing tire isn't wider. Oh God. Yeah, that's a little annoying. Yeah, buddy, she'll spill out again. Wish there's a way I could fix that because it's a little annoying when you have to drive all the way back just to fix that. And it's when I'm not riding on me. Oh, it's probably when I made impact with Dad's Revo,
Hop over that second. I'll do
which is right there. Probably when that happened. I would say ramp up this, but you're just gonna land right in there. And that's about 2 foot. No, 3 foot. Yeah, I gotta pull over as well. Okay, I really wish I was recording then. I came down from this road, turned this corner, and I flipped all the way around, went backwards like that. It was very cleaner than that. I was right about there. And I didn't get on video. This is why you should record.
Uh-oh. His tire fell off.
No, the nuts, oh, it's right there.
I was wondering
All right,
why I
I'm
wouldn't
gonna
drive.
pause it here. I gotta put this back. Alex.
Don't do any crazy burnout to fuel out there, man, 'cause like that.
All right, I'm gonna stop it here. This video is already pretty long, and I was hoping to make this at least 20 minutes. It is good, but it isn't because if this is boring for some of you watching, then you guys probably won't want to see that. I'll put you back on when we're back at the workshop. Well, not workshop. Back to my workbench.